Interviews don't always go smoothly. You may face direct challenges, skepticism, or even conflicting opinions among panelists about your experience, qualifications, or approach. These moments can feel intimidating, but they are opportunities to demonstrate grace under pressure, critical thinking, and strong communication skills. Employers often deliberately challenge candidates to see how they react to disagreement, defend their ideas, and remain professional under stress. If handled correctly, a challenging question or conflicting viewpoint can strengthen your credibility rather than weaken it. In this lecture, we will learn how to respond professionally to direct challenges and conflicting opinions. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to stay calm and professional when faced with direct challenges. Use structured techniques to acknowledge differing opinions without appearing defensive. Navigate panel disagreements with diplomacy. Avoid common mistakes like over-explaining, taking sides, or dismissing concerns. Why employers challenge your responses. Challenging or conflicting questions aren't meant to make you fail. They are designed to assess composure under pressure. Can you stay calm and think critically? Adaptability. Can you handle tough feedback without getting flustered? Communication skills. Can you explain and defend your viewpoint? Confidence and professionalism. Can you engage in disagreement constructively? Types of challenges you might face. Doubting your experience. If you're questioned about your lack of direct experience, don't get defensive. Instead, acknowledge the concern. Connect your existing skills to the role and reinforce your ability to adapt and succeed. Contradicting your answer. If your answer is challenged, stay composed and respond thoughtfully. Acknowledge their perspective, explain your reasoning with supporting logic or examples, and find common ground to show openness to collaboration. Disagreement among panelists. If interviewers disagree with your response, stay neutral by acknowledging both perspectives and reinforcing your reasoning. Focus on your skills and adaptability rather than taking sides. How to respond effectively. A great way to handle challenges is the acknowledge, bridge, respond method. Acknowledge. Recognize the concern or differing viewpoint. Bridge. Find common ground or shift focus to constructive discussion. Respond. Provide a confident, well-reasoned answer. For example, if asked, "You don't have direct experience managing a large team. Why should we trust you to lead?" Use the acknowledge, bridge, respond method. Acknowledge. That's a great question. While I haven't led a team of 50 people, I have successfully managed smaller teams and cross-functional collaborations. Bridge. Leadership isn't just about numbers, it's about communication, delegation, and problem-solving. Respond. In my last role, I led a team through a complex project, improving efficiency by 25%. I'm confident I can apply these skills effectively in this role. Handling panel disagreements professionally. If panelists disagree, stay neutral, professional and diplomatic. Avoid taking sides or ignoring the conflict. Instead, acknowledge both perspectives, refocus on your expertise, and keep your response balanced. For example, Panelist 1 says creativity is the most important skill for the role, while Panelist 2 argues that structure is more critical. You can respond, "Creativity and structure go hand in hand." In my experience, innovative ideas work best when they are well organized. I've found success balancing both, such as when I led a project where we needed to brainstorm new solutions while staying within strict deadlines. Common mistakes to avoid. Over-explaining. Giving a long defensive answer weakens your credibility. Dismissing the question, avoiding or brushing off concerns makes you seem unprepared. Getting defensive. Arguing or reacting emotionally can hurt your professionalism. Taking sides in panel disagreements. Always acknowledge both viewpoints and stay neutral.